So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to search profile on Instagram. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now this is the home page of your Instagram account, and to search a profile you should have to tap on search icon which is available on the lower corner of right side on the second last option. So tap on it. Now you will see the option of search on the top left corner of your screen. So tap on it. Then type a person name like this and tap on it. Now see, you will see the person's profile here like this, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.